Good evening everybody and welcome back to Danny Goes Out, and we're doing a few repairs tonight. So we've got these, what's the number of these? R342 car transporter. So we've had these a while and I've had them up in the cupboard up there, and I've just thought we'd get them out and see if we can do a bit more. So made some end ramps going back, and I've done the handrail on this one. Did this a while ago, but this one had a broken truck, so I've sort of done a bit of a bodge repair. It does go round the layout, so that's the important thing. Obviously it's a bit delicate. Can you hold the camera? Thanks, John. So obviously made some ramps which will go in the ends. They've got to be painted yet, but and we got a set of wheels missing, so there for that one. All the trucks are good on this one, aren't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, 342. Tri-ang these ones are. Yeah, Tri-ang. So just trying to get these to where they look, where you can pick them up, because you can't, because the things are all broke. You can't lift them up out the wagon. You know, it's fiddly, isn't it? Once they're in, you can't
pick them up.
So I don't know if you can see them on there. So I've made these out of plasticard, and I'll double them up, stick them together, and then, like I've done with this one, just stick them on the end and then give them a little bit of a paint. Obviously a little bit fiddly, because obviously, you know, they was moulded as one unit originally. That's the only ones I haven't made, is them ones for that one. These are the middle ones, but it's just so you can pick them up, you know. So that's what I've been doing this evening. Should we try it on the layout?
Yeah.
Let's go and try it on the layout.
But you need to put the switch on now.
Yeah.
Fourth line.
That one, innit? Wrong way. Ain't got anything on that line, have we? Let's see if it goes through the point. Yeah, look at that, goes through the point. Oh, it's gone down the siding, John.
Oh. Whoops. Is that the one we cleaned up with all that all that stuff?
Yeah.
Need to turn that controller on.
Yeah, that one, innit? So it's this line, innit? Oop. That point set up there, is it? See that point set?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's point to the right, isn't it?
Gonna try it in reverse.
Okay. What's going on with this?
I think it could be the engine. It's more like the engine than anything else, I think.
No. Down.
Shall I try a different engine?
No.
Because it's losing power and then dropping power, like picking up power. Yeah.
Take it off.
Engine.
Put Connie on.
Hands on.
Have a look at the wheels. Dirty.
They're a bit black, people.
Yeah.
So. Flying choo-choos. Feel like Back to the Future.
Just make a funny racket, doesn't it?
Fuck, it's hitting the body. Mwah. Engine. Because we only not just cleaned this track, didn't we?
See, it's going alright, didn't it?
Hmm.
Let's try it in reverse then.
That one. And that one, innit?
Right, where are you going now?
You wanna
No, I'm just trying
try?
it
Oh,
in reverse.
I was just trying it. I was going to say try it through the point. Like try it through the points in reverse.
So that's on this one, isn't it?
Mhm. Go to that one. Go to that one. There we are.
Okay.
But we ain't got an unloading rope for it now, have we?
No.
I suppose you could put... Oh no, you can't. And this could put a point in there and have it run down that way. No?
Oh, there you go. So that works alright, doesn't it? A bit dodgy repair. So,
If it works, it works. Doesn't it?
yeah. So there you go.
And put it back in the siding.
Yeah, put that back in the side. So it's nothing spectacular. So it's more functional, isn't it? Get it to work function rather than anything else.
Mm.
I don't know why that's... thought that was supposed to be level with that. But yeah, so it's set quite nicely actually, and it's not too tight, so it rolls alright. You know what I mean?
Mm.
I'm not going to try, I was going to try and clean all the wheels up, but I'm not going to try and take it out again. So there you go. One nearly done. I'm going to paint that with a bit of black. That's all right. But ramps are done. Hopefully, you know, when they come out, they'll fold like that.
Yeah. Once you put the other bits of thingy in there because there's another 2 bits that get sitting there, isn't there?
2 bits are sitting there, yeah.
They keep these bits here,
Yeah.
and then when you bring it out, they
goes
sort
round
of,
like that.
yeah.
Might have to trim them up yet, I don't know.
Mm.
So there you go. So thanks for watching, and we'll do a bit more tomorrow because it's a bit chilly down here. Oh, that's not fitting properly. Oh well, never mind. Right, there you go. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.
Bye.